Welcome to our overview on the evolution of manufacturing, moving from the digitized landscape of Industry 4.0 toward the human-centric era of Industry 5.0. Manufacturing has seen rapid change, driven by the need for smarter, faster, and more connected production systems. Industry 4.0 introduced the fourth industrial revolution, fundamentally changing factories through digital integration and intelligent automation. At the heart of Industry 4.0 is the Internet of Things, creating a web of interconnected devices that allow for unprecedented levels of data exchange. By leveraging big data, manufacturers can achieve peak efficiency, reducing downtime and streamlining processes across the plant floor. Industry 5.0 builds on this foundation, shifting the focus from purely technical gains to a new model centered on human potential. This new era prioritizes human collaboration, where technology supports workers rather than just replacing them, allowing for more creative manufacturing solutions. Industry 5.0 moves beyond efficiency by integrating sustainability and resilience into the core of every production strategy. While 4.0 emphasizes the machine, 5.0 emphasizes the purpose and the people behind the production. Industry 4.0 pursued the efficiency of the machine. Industry 5.0 pursues the creation of value for both the worker and society. We are moving from pure automation to a harmonious synergy where human intelligence and robotic precision work side by side. This evolution isn't about discarding past technology, it's about repurposing those tools to better serve human-centric goals. Embracing this transition allows manufacturers to build a future that is not only productive, but also sustainable, inclusive, and deeply human. Thanks for watching. And if you like this content, give us a like and subscribe.